Welcome to Math with Adam. We are going to be looking at divisibility rule for 11. How can we easily find out if a number is divisible by 11 without actually solving the problem? So let's look at the rule. It says if the difference between the sum of its digits in odd places and the sum of the digits in even places is either 0 or multiple of 11. So we are going to be looking at the difference. The difference means when you subtract the sum of the digits in odd places and the sum of the digits in the even places, the result should be 0 or 11. So don't worry. When we are solving, you understand better. So let's take the first one. We have 54,780. We want to easily find out if this number is divisible by 11 or not. So the first thing we are going to do is I'm going to write here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's look at the digits in odd places. So we have 1, 3, and 5. These are the digits in odd places. So we are going to add all these numbers, okay? We are going to add all the digits in the odd places, and then after that we add the digits in the even places, and then we subtract. So let's start with the digits in the odd places. So we have the first one is what? 5. So 5 plus 7, it's going to give us 12. So 12 plus 0 is 12. Minus the digits in even places. These are the digits in even places. We have 4 and then 8. These are the digits in the even places. So 4 plus 8 is also 12. So 12 minus 12 gives us 0. So this satisfies the rule. Now the odd places are what? 1, 3, and 5. Okay? So what are the digits in the odd places? We have 5 plus 7 plus 0. That gives us what? 12. And then the even places we have 4 and then 8. 4 plus 8 also gives us what? 12. And when you subtract, you get what? 0. So it satisfies the rule. And the rule says that if the difference between the sum of its digits in odd places and the sum of the digits in even places is either 0 or 11. So here you realize that when you subtract the sum of the digits in the odd places and then the even places, we got 0. So that means 54,780 is divisible by 11. Let's go to question number 2. So I'm going to do the same. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So first, let's count the digits in the odd places. We have 1, 3, and 5. These are the odd places. So we are going to count all the digits in the odd places. So let's start. 2 plus 3 gives us 5. And then 5 plus 4 gives us 9. So the digits in the odd places is what? 9. Minus the digits in the even places. So let's look at the digits in the even places. So 2 and 4, okay? So we have 8 and then 2. So 8 plus 2 gives us 10. So you realize that the difference is what? 1. Okay? So I'm going to change the positions. I can write the even places first. Okay? So the difference is just 1. So that means that 28,324 is not divisible by 11. Great. Let's look at number 3. So I'm going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the odd places are 1, 3, and 5. These are the odd places. So let's add the digits in the odd places. So we have 3 plus 6. That gives us 9. 9 plus 1 gives us 10. minus. Now we're going to add the digits in the even places. So here we have 5. 5 plus 5 also gives us 10. So 10 minus 10 gives us a 0. So we can say that 35,651 is divisible by 11. Alright guys, if you understand the rule, I want you to try question number 4 for me. Okay? Don't forget that you're subtracting the sum of the digits in the odd places and the sum of digits in the even places. And then if the answer is 0 or 11, that means the number is divisible by 11. So I want you to try this for me on your own. Don't forget to write your answer in the comment section.